to this video. So in the last video, we have created learned some concept about for loop. I hope you understand easily. That's while loop is more typical than for loop. For loop is very easy, so we usually used for loop because this is not complicated. So we have created again. Okay, for okay, okay. This time for characters in okay Monday. Hold on, enter. Okay, now we will print chart character, and now we will run and see that how it is. You can see that we don't create this variable loop. So inside there we are using. So we will run and see this how split this in this way. Okay. So first this will we will comment this also and go more forward. And this time we will tell you about another function which is used with the range function for I in range. First I will create and then we will in view and now print I. Come on GitHub Copilot, recommend me something. Okay. I think something not good. So we have to write ourselves. So print I and we will run and you can see that it is this print will this print. So let me explain you what is happened here. Okay, where is our code? Okay, so for I with for you have now suitable with for I I in for I in range 10. This is the range function. If you you can see that it will print total 10 elements. You can count it from 0 to 9, it will become 10. If you write 9, then it will end at 8. Okay. Okay, to if you want that 1 to 10 will print, then you will write here. Okay, so you can see here that it is given start. Okay, then last one is stop in. So support index and other steps and other that first of all I will run this and show you that what is happening with this command. So you can see that it start from 1 and end it at 9. Okay, it start from 1 and end it, and if you want that print till 10, then you will write 11. Okay, now you will one so one less here. So here you can see that it is printing 1 to 10. So and if you want that for example you want that okay, now we will run that and you can see that it is okay. You can see that if we write 2 here, then it will print like even number or odd number, even odd. So 1 3 5 7 2 9 for the gap of, if you want 3 then you will type 3, then it will print after 3 number you can see here. So 1 4 7 and 10. So you means it start, stop, and how many you want to jump it. You want to jump it. So that's all for today's videos. Thank you for watching. Please take care of your loved ones and yourself. Until then,